red for it. Red for it. Thanksgiving! Oh, Elmo's friends are celebrating together.
Happy Thanksgiving, Elmo!
Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Right, Elmo wants to learn all about Thanksgiving. Oh, let's ask Elmo's friend, Smarty. Let's call her together. Oh, Smarty!
Hi, Elmo! Look! I'm dressed like a pilgrim!
Wow! Oh, that's perfect, Smarty, because Elmo wants to learn all about Thanksgiving.
Well, what do we do to learn something new?
We
look it up! Searching for Thanksgiving. Here we go. Thanksgiving is a holiday when family and friends get together for a meal. People bring all kinds of food like turkey, stuffing, and my favorite, pumpkin pie. It's a time for sharing food and being kind to others. On Thanksgiving, people give thanks for all the things they're grateful for. So, what are you thankful for, Elmo?
Well, Elmo's thankful for lots and lots of things. Oh, especially friends like Smarty.
Oh, me too, Elmo.
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving, Elmo.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving. See you later. Hey, that gives Elmo an idea. Let's play a game together. Yeah, come on, come on. Look, this family is having Thanksgiving dinner. Boy, Elmo wonders if we can find a pie that has enough slices for everybody. First, let's count how many people there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people all together. So, which pie has enough slices for everybody? Is it this one? It has 1, 2, 3 slices.
No, not everyone has a slice.
Oh, well, how about this pie? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices.
That's right. There's a slice for each person.
Yay! We did it! Happy Thanksgiving, everybody! Boy, Elmo loves Thanksgiving. Oh, and that makes Elmo wonder even more. What does Mr. Noodle do on Thanksgiving? Hey, let's ask him, okay? Hey, Mr. Noodle! Hi, Mr. Noodle. Mr. Noodle, Elmo was wondering, do you celebrate Thanksgiving? You do? Oh, show us how you celebrate.
Yeah, show us how.
Where's he going? What, Mr. Noodle?
That's a birthday cake.
That's not Thanksgiving. That's how you celebrate a birthday. Try again, Mr. Noodle. Oh, nice cake, though.
He's wearing a
Is
costume.
that how you celebrate Thanksgiving?
That's how you celebrate Halloween. He's going trick-or-treating.
Mr. Noodle, that's how you dress for Halloween. Show us how you celebrate Thanksgiving, Mr. Noodle. Oh, he's having Thanksgiving dinner.
That's right.
That's right, Mr. Noodle. Now you're doing it. Good job. Thank you for showing us how to celebrate Thanksgiving, Mr. Noodle. Oh, you too, Schmoodle. Happy Thanksgiving! Boy, learning new things makes Elmo so happy. That makes him want to dance. Come on. Happy, happy, dance, dance. Happy, happy, dance, dance. When we learn something new, we do the happy dance, dance. Let's see your happy dance. Yeah, cool. See you next time. Keep learning. Elmo loves you. Happy, happy, dance, dance. Happy, happy, dance, dance. When we learn something new, we do the happy dance, dance. Yeah.
Do you like food? Me like food. Place your order if you're lucky. We make food in our foodie truck. Yeah. Oh, me got it, me got it.
Hello, Cookie Monster and Gonger. I'm Alex, and I need your help.
Grandma is making Thanksgiving dinner, but she forgot the apple pie. Can you help me, please?
Of course we can help you because we are Monster Foodies! Okay, what we need to make apple pie, Chef Gonger?
For pie, we need a pie crust, a apple.
Oh, we got it. Okay, we got the pie crust and an apple. Apple pie.
Huh?
Order ready.
No, Cookie, no, stop, Cookie Monster. No, we need lots of chopped up apple.
Lots of apples, but we only got one apple. Oh, well, we no can make pie.
No, it's okay. We can get more apple from the apple orchard.
Apple orchard? What that?
Oh, I'll show you. Let's go.
Yeah. To the apple orchard. Oh, wow. Hello there, Mr. Farmer Guy. Can you help us, please? We need apples.
Hello, Cookie Monster and Gonga. You've come to the right place. I have lots of apples here, and I can tell you everything you need to know about them. Apples are a type of fruit that grow on trees. There are lots of different kinds of apples. Granny Smith apples are green. There are lots of red apples, like Pink Lady and Red Delicious. Once the fruit is ripe and ready to eat, the apples are picked by hand and placed into bags. Then the apples are sorted and placed into bins. Those bins are then sent to grocery stores, farmers markets, and fruit stands, where people could buy them for healthy anytime snack or delicious sometimes food like apple pie. I hope this helps. Good luck.
Thank you, Mr. Farmer.
Thank you.
Ta-da! Lots of apples. Yeah, this look much better. Okay, order ready.
Yes. No. We need to follow the recipe.
Oh, yes. Recipe.
You chop the apples.
Chop apples, check. Choppy, 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 choppy. Apple slices ready.
Oh, good job. Sugar. Yep. Flour. A dash of cinnamon. A pinch of salt. Ground nutmeg. Yeah. Lemon juice. Ooh. Okay, stir 'em. Stir 'em. Yeah.
Wow, Gonger, you are a good cook.
Oh, apples.
Oh, apples, yes. Apples
Stir 'em.
in the bowl.
Yeah.
Apples.
Stir 'em. Ooh. Okay, Cookie. Pour the filling in the bowl.
You got it, Gonger.
Yeah.
Okay, pie done baking.
Oh, yeah. It's ready. Bye-bye, food. Oh, Cookie,
Yeah.
this nice for you.
Oh, boy, thank you, Gonger. Oh, nom, nom. Oh,
Thank you so much, Cookie Monster and Gonger, for this special dessert. You saved Thanksgiving dinner. Apple pie, my favorite. It's delicious. Bye!
you're welcome, Alex. Yeah.
Yay!
Happy Healthy Monsters to the rescue. We make yummy food just for you.